400 plus conferences, 9,000 plus speakers, 350,000 plus delegates, and 50 remarkable years. This is a momentous tale filled with influential events. Let's start from the start. In the year 1974, a time when industrial trade shows were a rarity, an enigma unfolded. The chemical ecosystem had no focused business-to-business trade shows, only melas. But in the heart of Mumbai, at Sardar Patel Stadium, NSCI Worli, a pioneer stepped forward to change the landscape. This was the birth of Chemtech. The first Chemtech event, the Pioneers Trade Fair, was not just a trade show. It was a 4-day spectacle that set the stage for a revolution. Exhibitors clamored to be part of it and sought an extension, realizing its potential. At the helm of this revolutionary movement stood Jasu Shah, a visionary inspired by Germany's structured trade shows. His goal was clear: to introduce and nurture this culture in India. Trade shows were just the beginning for Chemtech. It grew into a dynamic core for mentorship, learning, and technical expertise. From the outset, a study circle initiative became an integral part of our chemical composition, eventually developing into the student outreach program. Through the Icon Lecture Series, it facilitated connections between industry leaders and emerging talents. The leaders of the Chemtech Advisory Board, CAB, played a pivotal role in shaping its ethos. From inception, this esteemed group has taken upon themselves the responsibility to advance Chemtech's growth. This dedication has endured over time and continues to define our identity. They nurtured a culture of excellence and modesty with a special peer-to-peer recognition system in place. Under the leadership of these revered individuals, Chemtech promoted computer and tech adoption in chemical process industries and biotechnology, expanded internationally by participating in the 1981 Offshore Technology Conference, emphasized the importance of environmental protection with Envirotech 1984, spotlighted hydrocarbon and energy sectors, and organized Chemtech plus ORT, completed a 30-year association with Akima.
Have been associated with Akima, which is world's largest chemical plant show since last 30 years. And my experience showed me that such events can help the industry enormously. The development as well as advancement of industrial activity.
Ventured along new verticals of EPC, water, and industrial automation. Launched Enertech World Expo.
Chemtech Foundation have been kind of promoting the cause of chemical and energy technologies year after year.
Introduced new initiatives including refining and petrochemical conferences, student outreach program, and more. Incorporated a technical platform for specialty chemicals.
Specialty chemicals are the key, because of them we will see a host of products that we can see as useful, healthy, safe, and green. And specialty chemicals can show all industries a way to grow.
And extended the scope of the energy platform by launching technical verticals for nuclear energy and gas technologies. In essence, we emerged as pioneers of exhibitions. Fostering through and through, we became the facilitators for the industry by the industry.
I've seen Chemtech contributing to this public discourse in a very, very positive manner.
Chemtech broadened its scope to fuel the development of an entire ecosystem.
We are at the beginning of an era where new knowledge in biology is going to revolutionize the world. And I see Chemtech Foundation bringing together all the companies involved in the sector in a mutually reinforcing way, and in this globalized world, helping India find its place in the world and the world find India.
From water to pharma, oil and gas to numerous diverse verticals of the ecosystem were brought under one umbrella, enabling altogether industrial growth.
We are delighted to participate in the inauguration of Shipping and Marine World Expo 2008 organized by Chemtech Foundation in partnership with process industry.
The persistent aim became to foster innovation, collaboration, and the evolution of a sustainable circular economy. It wasn't just about our success, but the success of the entire ecosystem.
Just White House, with his untiring efforts over the last 32 years, has held this covalent bond between Chemtech Foundation and our chemical industry.
Has always been an enlightened voice of the chemical processing industry. It has always tried to project the capabilities and strengths of these industries not only in India but around the world. This process will continue with greater vigor.
Amidst this everlasting quest, the leaders of the future, nurtured through our student outreach program, are set to chart the course for success. Our commitment extends beyond the present with this force for the future. We envision India shining as a global manufacturing hub and aspire to harbor a circular economy for generations. Initiatives like Solving for Climate Action by leveraging the ecosystem, or SCALE, become integral in this pursuit. SCALE emerges as a pivotal gathering for global climate tech startups and industry stakeholders. It is a catalyst for international collaboration, seamlessly integrating innovative solutions into the ever-evolving landscape of global advancement. We're not just envisioning change, we're actively catalyzing a sustainable and transformative future on the international stage. Today, the entire chemical industry holds a significant position, contributing 7% to India's GDP. Projections anticipate the industry to surge to a remarkable market value of $383 billion by 2030 and eventually $1 trillion by 2047. This contribution is instrumental in advancing the nation toward the ambitious goal of a $30 trillion economy by 2050. With a commitment to sustainability, Chemtech is a driving force toward India's carbon neutrality goal of 2070. We are dedicated to a greener, more resilient future with the advance of climate-friendly tech. Chemtech's legacy lies in the ongoing evolution of both the industry and the nation. As we look ahead, we envision a future where ingenuity propels progress, where boundaries are pushed, where excellence is the norm, and where we continue to be the force inspiring intelligence, igniting innovation.